walking to work, and then I got my man Dutch came and picked me up. Shout out to Dutch. Thank you for giving me a lift to the workplace. Appreciate that. Also, I was just with Capone. Check it out. We're gonna be doing some commercials for them, so be on the lookout for their videos and what Capone is all about. Judy, thank you, Capone. Shout out to you guys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like I won't be driving today. I'll just be dispatching with Ian and learn the ways of the dispatching. But anyway, yeah, wishing my team the best of luck out there. Be safe, drive safe, please don't speed. You guys got this. It's all Team Bubba.
Tip of the day,
Yo,
something I just used recently is I just go by and I put the stops in my phone. And my navigation better on the iPhone, baby. Team iPhone.
hey, what's up, everybody? So I stay on the 3rd floor right now of Amazon building, and I'm gonna do some admin stuff today. I'm working with my boss Ian, and yeah, let's check out a new vehicle we're getting. Let's go. All right, just got done checking out that new vehicle we just got, one of the a new Prime van. You know, another good additional to the team. Let's go, Baba. Yes, sir. Hey, what's up, everybody? So check it out. Just got done with work. Had to help a little bit close, and then yeah. But today I was dispatching, so I wasn't out there on the road. But safety is very important, and yeah, I just don't want anybody getting into accidents or so. When you see our van parked like 3 seconds at a stop sign, it's because we are required to do so. For some people that don't understand why we always like take long at a stop sign. So for everybody else, be safe, have a good night, peace.